Hi friends, welcome to Crack channel. In this video I will show how to create bulk poster like this. Let's go to the video. Before going to the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's go to the video. First open canva.com and create a design. Choose custom size. Have to enter 1000 into 1000 pixel. Create new design and search the template for motivational quote. Choose your template. Have to choose this template and then I have to delete this one. Have to change the letter type. Go to effects, neon, and change the color into pink or orange. Have to increase the intensity of the color and then have to resize the letter 25 font size. Next go to the apps, enter bulk, search it and click the bulk creator and click enter data manually and scroll down this one, clear table and enter the motivation code in this table. So choose your motivation code, have to paste it, so have to change the rename into quotes, scroll down, done. So after this one I have to select this one and go to this button and click connect data, select codes, continue, generate 10 designs. This is a method to create bulk poster. I hope this video is very helpful to you. Please like my channel and share it to your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.